Hello, today we're doing 5-2 in Origo math. It's going to be Thursday's math. In this lesson, we're going to skip count by 5 or 10 from a number that is on the decade, for example, like 40, or off the decade for like not 10, so it'd be like 14. We're going to do that using a number line. Our objective is that you're going to gain confidence in making jumps on a number line, a skill that is necessary for the upcoming lessons. And the following mathematic practices are going to be developed. We're going to identify and describe patterns that we see when they count by 5s or 10s from a given number, and use skip counting patterns to identify the numbers that you say if they continue to count by 5s or 10s. So let's begin our lesson 5-2. If you turn to page 160 and 161, at the top of the page it says addition, skip counting by 5 or 10 from the number line. Andrea rolls the cube. She finds the number that she rolled on the number line. Then she makes jumps of 10s from that number. So it looks like she rolled a 20, and so she starts counting by 10s. So 20, 30, 40, 50. Do you think that Andrea will land on the number 90? How do you know? What other numbers will she land on? Well, if we go all the way up, it'll be by 10s. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Connor rolls a 5. Then he makes jumps of 10 from that number. So he'll start at 5 and 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Do you think that he will land on the number 50? No, because all the numbers he's going to land on was going to end in 5. What numbers will Connor land on? 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. What happens if you roll a 1? No, that's not a 1. That's a 17. Then what numbers will you say if you make jumps of 10 from that number, 17? 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, and 97. Step up 1 says draw jumps of 10 to reach the end of the number line. Write the numbers that you land on. And it looks like you're going to start with 15, and then you're going to start with 8. So if you'll just use 10s and jump all the way to the end of the number line, and then write the numbers down on the number line that you land on. Number 2, page 151. Show the position of the number on the number line, and then you're going to write the numbers you will land on if you make jumps of 10. It looks like it starts at 16, so go ahead and make jumps of 10. Finish that out. 32, so start at 32. I would probably number your number line and then do jumps all the way to the end. Number 3, you're going to show the position of the numbers on the number line. Then you're going to write the number that you will land on if you make jumps of 5. So you start at 6, add 5, which is 11, then keep adding 5, and then 5 more, and all the way till the end of the number line. 52, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to show the position of the number on the number line, and then jump by 5s and write the numbers that you land on. At the bottom, it says step ahead. Use skip counting to figure out the total amount shown. The first one is rows of nickels. The second, it's all of them. You're going to do them all together. So you'll start with the nickels, 5, 10, 15, and then you'll start adding 10s and then 1s to get your final answer. And we have 2 more pages, 162 and 163. It's just maintaining concepts and skills, kind of just a review of what we've learned this unit so far. Computation practice. What did the pig say to the farmer? Ooh, get a riddle. You're going to write all the differences. It's all subtraction, so it's differences. So figure out all of those problems. And then 75 minus 2, we know that's 73. And it says G beside it. So when you get all the answers filled up, take the letters beside it, plug it in the riddle. Some letters are used more than once. So then figure out what the answer, what did the pig say to the farmer? Write an equation to match what is shown on each number track. This is at the top of 163. It's showing, write an equation to match what's shown. I see 11 minus, write an equation to match what is shown on each number track. This one is 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay, I see it. So 11 minus 3 is 8. On B, you're going to do 8 minus 2. Now, number 2, you're going to start with a greater number and write the addition equations to show how you add the 10s, then the 1s. 73 plus 24. I just add 7 plus 2, the 10s, and then the 1s, 3 plus 4. Then if you'll write the 2 equations to show how you did it. The same with 45 plus 13. Then you do your turnaround facts. And then preparing for Module 6, you have 2 problems to add the 2 groups together and write the matching equation. And that concludes our math for today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.